Okay, we're on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Esdra Nanges. Nancius, okay, Junior. File number is 22-02168. Council appearance, please.
Chris Martin for the people.
And Assistant Public Defender Sarah Donnelly on behalf of the defendant Ezra Nancius Jr., who is present today.
Okay, and how are you, Mr. Nancius?
I'm doing all right.
Okay, very good. Today was the date that was set for a final pretrial. Do we have necessary witnesses?
We do not, Your Honor, and I can just say for the record that we have been in communication with the necessary witnesses and subpoenaed the necessary witnesses, and they're not here.
Okay, the starter was scheduled for 8 o'clock. It's 8:40.
Yes, Your Honor. With that, we would ask that the court dismiss it without prejudice.
A motion to dismiss without prejudice will be granted. That means it'll be dismissed today. However, if the necessary witness reaches out to the prosecution and wants to move forward, they can reissue the charge against you, okay? Do you have any questions at this time? Okay, we'll get you a copy of the dismissal. You're gonna want to wait at least 72 hours for us to get this removed from lien to make sure that you don't have any violations from your no contact order, okay?
Okay.
Any additional matter for the record?
Nothing for the people.
I guess there's nothing. We're off the record.
Thank you. So I have one more thing for you. We need to file this. This was a circuit court case that was, they dismissed all the felony counts, but the misdemeanors are still on there. And so we need to file that and get it set for a pretrial.
Oh, let me make a copy of that. Okay, we're on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Jasmine Perkins. File number is 22-02198. Council appearance.
Chris Martin for the people.
And Assistant Public Defender Sarah Donnelly on behalf of the defendant Jasmine Perkins, who is not present yet. Let me check the hallway. She's not, Your Honor. I have had contact with her this morning. I woke her up and I told her to be here as soon as possible. To avoid bench warrant. So I expect her to be here shortly this morning.
I can inform the court that we've had sporadic contact with witness Miles Lober. He has expressed interest in prosecution, however, he's not here at this time.
Okay, well, we'll wait and see if she shows up today. How about that?
Yep.
Thanks.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I think that's fair.
Do you have anything else?
Your Honor, I was informed that this afternoon's PBH Fabian Herrera was brought in person. He's downstairs. I have arranged to get coverage for this afternoon because I have to go to mental health court in 30th. But it was my understanding that he probably would be appearing for me in county jail and it'd be by Zoom. I don't know if you still want to do it by Zoom with him downstairs. You're gonna bring him up because I just let my.
They said that they couldn't do it. I already asked if they can put them on Polycom, but they
Okay.
said they'll be doing arraignments during that time.
Okay, so they're gonna bring him up. I'll see if we can. I'll see if
He wants to run the hearing.
I doubt he does.
If he's already
I can
here,
go
if you wanna
talk.
go talk now, we can.
I can go,
handle that.
yeah, I
We
can
don't have
go talk
anything
to him.
until 9:30, so.
Yeah, I'll go talk to him right now.
Okay, Ms. Perkins, rise and shine.
Hi,
How are you?
sorry I'm late.
I heard you were sleeping a little late today.
Yeah, my alarms never went off, so
Okay, we're on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Jasmine Perkins. The file number is 22-02198. Appearances, please.
Chris Martin for the people.
An Assistant Public Defender Sarah Donnelly on behalf of the defendant Jasmine Perkins, who is present and standing to my right.
Thank you. Today's the date that was scheduled for a final pretrial. Earlier, we did not have the necessary witnesses. Are they still not here?
So what's your name?
I'm not here for court, I'm here for, I
Okay.
just wanted to go in here so I can see what's going on.
I don't.
Okay.
With that, Your Honor, we would ask you the court to dismiss without prejudice.
Okay, the case will be dismissed without prejudice. That simply means if the necessary witnesses regain communication with the prosecution and they ask to move forward with the case, the prosecution would have the right to reissue the charge against you, okay? Is that a yes?
yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you a copy of the dismissal today. Do you have any questions, ma'am?
No, I don't.
Okay, you're all set. You can have a seat.
Okay.
Hi, sir. What's your name?
David Cheney,
You need to speak to him.
Yes,
Okay, give us a moment and then your attorney will log in. I'm wrapping up with someone else in the courtroom now, okay?
okay.
Oh, man. I used to go and finish. I was gonna scan it so I can make sure. Make sure she has that schedule.
Oh.
Okay, we're on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus David Keith Cheney, file number 21-00791. Council appearance.
Chris Martin for the people.
An Assistant Public Defender Sarah Donnelly on behalf of the defendant David Cheney, who is appearing separately from the Newman County Jail.
Thank you. Today's the date set for a pre-trial. How are we proceeding on this?
Your Honor, at this time, I don't have an offer. I'd be requesting to be set for final pre-trial and jury trial.
That's correct.
Pre-trial October 4th at 8 a.m. And jury trial October 11th. Okay. Okay, final pre-trial is gonna be October 4th at 8 o'clock in the morning. Jury trial will be October 11th at 8 o'clock in the morning. Both of those will be held in person at the court. Okay, Mr. Cheney?
Okay,
Do you have any questions?
no,
Any additional matters for the record?
Nothing from the people.
None for defense, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, you're all set, sir.
thank you.
No problem. Simpsons failed to appear, so I'm issuing a bench warrant.
Mm-mm.
Good morning. Who just logged in under Patricia Post?
That would be me. I'm trying to get this to work right. Okay. Patricia Post.
What matter are you here for today, Patricia?
James Swinehart. For domestic violence against me and for violation of his bond release.
Wait, she's a party name with James Swain.
There we go.
Patricia, I think you're muted, but I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with the prosecutor, okay?
Okay.
preparing now and say, we're gonna do this on the 11th, so that you don't have to keep going back. Does that make sense?
Yeah, just tell them to bring it in. Oh, Judith.
Ready with Swinehart?
Swinehart,
We
Yeah.
already recommend. Problems with the internet.
On the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus James Swinehart. I have file numbers 21-01435, 21-02313, 22-01869, 21-01435, 21-02313, 22-01869. SM. Council appearance.
Chris Martin for the people.
May it please the court, David B. Carter Jr. on behalf of Mr. Swinehart, who is present standing at council table.
Today is the date that was set for both pre-trials and their three PA 53 contempt violations that were scheduled for a hearing. How we proceed with this?
Yeah, my understanding is that we wish to set the pre-trials over to the final pre-trial and set them for a trial. I spoke with Mr. Carter, and he believes he has some evidence that would inform potential negotiations on the PA violations. I would just ask that those be set on the jury trial date. We've had our officer come a couple times, and it's clear that those PA violations will not be resolved until the day of the jury trial.
And that's how you want to move forward as well, Mr. Carter.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
That's how you wish to move forward and have them set.
I think that would be the best judicial way to go forward. I have no objection.
I did the final pre-trial October 4th at 8 a.m. and the jury trial October 11th.
Okay, both those days work for you.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. The additional matters for the record, and you're gonna put the PA 53s on the 11th.
Okay.
Nothing further from the people. Thank you.
Anything else from you, Mr. Carter?
Do you pick and run a jury on the same day?
Yes,
All right.
no problem. Any questions today, sir?
No,
Final pre-trials, hopefully,
right.
you know,
I know how.
come to the table and make it all happen.
Okay, you're all set.
Thank you.
Cool. Thanks, man.
Yeah. Oh. We're gonna call our artist. Oh, 10, so I should wait.
You're an artist.
Come on out.
What happened with Mark Pierce?
I don't know what happened with Mr. Pierce, Your Honor. He was there. We were talking in a breakout, but he was in South Room, and I can't get anyone to anyone's attention. This matter, we were gonna reset it for next week so that we can see about how restitution owed to the city.
That's correct, and this internet situation we're having here is harder to address that.
September 27th at 10:30.
A domestic violence second. report. Jennifer?
Where's that? Okay, let's see. We did some.
Goshen.
Well, who's here on the offense? Fergus? Is Miss Fergus ready to go?
I have to speak to her in a breakout room, Your Honor.
Okay, well,
I have Mr. Margoshian here. He was a 9:30.
yeah, well, the reason why I'm doing
Oh,
this is she's crying.
Oh,
and
yeah,
she's
I'll go
rocking a
talk to her.
baby. Miss Fergus, you okay?
My grandmother passed away a few minutes ago.
Oh, I am so sorry to hear that. We can reset your matter, okay?
Can you do that, please? Thank you.
Yes, my condolences, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I at least confirm that her phone is 632?
Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Do October 25th at 9:30.
October 24th at 9:30. For her, it's okay? Oh,
Thank you, Your Honor.
no problem. And then you wanted to do,
Yes, I have Mr. Margoshian here in person. We were just gonna set for a final pre-trial.
okay, there's no offer. Margosian?
Oh, I set him for final pretrial October 11th and jury trial October 18th.
Okay, both of those are at 8 o'clock in the morning in person at the court, okay, Mr. Margosian? Okay, do you have any questions?
No.
Any additional matters for him?
People.
No, Your Honor, thank you.
You gave him a copy already? We'll get you a copy in just a moment, okay?
Yeah.
No problem. And then you're ready on Mr. Herrera.
I am, Your Honor.
Who's on the iPhone? Man with the black and gray shirt on.
Heather,
Can you say your name for me again?
my name is Heather Thalen.
That one's just a final pre-trial.
Okay, there was no offer on that one.
No.
Okay, ma'am, there was no offer extended to you. Your attorney is requesting a final pretrial and jury trial date. We'll get you that in just a moment, okay?
Okay.
Final pretrial will be October 11th at 8 a.m. and then jury trial will be October 18th.
Your final pretrials, October 11th at 8 o'clock in the morning, in person at the court. Your jury trial will move forward on October 18th at 8 o'clock in the morning, also in person at the court. Do you have any questions, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Okay, well then you're all set for today.
Thank you.
No problem. I think Artist is talking to his attorney. Oh, no, Artist is here, correct, Mr. Artist?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let's do Artist first. Are we having a hearing on her?
No, it'll be a plea, Your Honor.
We can ask. That's a good idea.
Okay, we're on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Aaron Dewan Artis, file number 20-03177. Council appearance.
Chris Martin for the people.
And please the court, David B. Carter Jr. on behalf of Mr. Artis, who is present sitting at council table.
Thank you. And today's the date that was set for a pretrial. How are we proceeding on this?
Your Honor, I'd ask for it to be set for the October 4th final pretrial and the October 11th trial.
And that makes sense because he'll be here on other, Mr. Carter will be here on other matters at that time.
We have slots available. October 4th and October 11th, you said? The final pretrial will be October 4th at 8 o'clock in the morning in person at the court. Jury trial is currently scheduled for October 11th at 8 o'clock in the morning in person at the court. Okay, sir? Okay, sir? You have any questions? No. Okay, we'll get you a copy of your notice to appear.
Okay.
You've been around long enough.
That's all we have for you, Mr. Carter, today.
I believe so, Your Honor.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. Is your office representing Gibbs?
It is.
Okay. Well, we'll move forward in Herrera. Maybe Gibbs will show up.
What's up?
We're still.
We're still looking for, you got me Curtis, but not yet.
Yeah, so we should probably talk to, we should probably get a new date for this February.
Brandy,
Yep.
you can hand the notice. This is Mr.
But it worked
Carter.
last
the
time.
one that he's on.
Yeah.
And for artists.
We have Herrera's file.
So what was the, which internet connection are you using?
Oh, probably the secure one that needs a password, GPBBMC.
It says can't connect.
I'm connected.
Thank you.
You're supposed to install county Wi-Fi. and-
We're on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Fabian David Herrera, file number 21-02690 SM. Council appearance.
Thank you, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Sarah Donnelly on behalf of defendant Fabian Herrera, who is present and is going to be in a moment sitting to my right.
Thank you. Today's the date that's scheduled for a hearing on a probation violation. Ms. Donnelly, you've spoken with your client privately and indicated that he does not want to move forward with the hearing. Is that correct?
Okay. You're. Okay, all right, Your Honor, I went over the allegations with Mr. Herrera, and it's my understanding that he would not dispute the allegations where he possessed alcohol, he failed to enroll in veterans intervention programming, and he failed to verify his 12-step meeting attendance. In regards to the failing to adhere to a no contact order, that is the July 2nd incident is now allegations in a new case before Judge Ward. And my client has advised me that I believe probably Mr. Goodrich, another public defender, has advised him not to plead to that yet, considering that it might implicate his new case now.
And what about fail to make monthly payments?
Let me see. Your Honor, I'm not, he wouldn't dispute that, though. I'm sorry, I didn't have that in on the request and summons for probation violation.
Okay, yeah, it was on the one from June 23rd. That's when you're looking at.
I'm looking at the one from July 19th.
That's something I don't have. Let's see.
Or July, yeah, it was signed by you on July 11th.
Okay, you're right. I think you took care of the June 23rd one. Okay, so he's not going to dispute violation 14, 18, and 19. And due to the pending case involving the alleged no contact from July 2nd, he does not wish to address it at this time.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Is that correct, sir? Do you want to have a hearing on the other violations today?
Yes, ma'am.
You want a hearing?
No, ma'am.
Okay, are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you were arraigned on these violations some time ago. Looks like you were arraigned back in July on the violations. Did I make that up? No, on September 3rd, you were arraigned on the new violations. You were advised at the time of the arraignment that you have the right to have a contested hearing. You have the right to have the prosecution and your probation officer bring forth sufficient evidence to meet the burden that you did violate your probation status by possessing alcohol beverages on or around July 6th, failing to enroll in Veterans Interventions Program at PATS, and failing to provide verification of the 12-step meeting attendance. And so if you want to have your hearing, we're prepared to do that. We have Mr. Hannah up here already today, luckily, so we don't even have to call him up.
Does that mean I took you out?
No, that means if you want to have the hearing and plead not guilty and we run the hearing.
Oh,
Okay. Is anybody making any promises to you to waive your hearing and plead guilty?
no, ma'am.
Is there any threats being made to you to waive your hearing and plead guilty?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty to those 3 violations because you believe you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So as to, well, let me have you raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give is the truth and the whole truth under penalty of perjury. Okay, you can put your hand down, sir. Violation number 14 alleges that you possessed or was in possession of alcohol or alcoholic beverages on or about July 6, 2022. How do you plead?
Guilty, Your Honor.
What were you in possession of on July 6?
Alcohol,
What kind?
Natty Daddy.
What's that?
Natty Daddy is one of the cheapest beers. you
Natural
can
light.
buy.
It's like
Yeah,
a
it's
beer?
like natural, yes.
Okay. And you knew it was a beer?
Yes.
And you knew it was in violation of your probation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then as to the allegation that you failed to enroll in Veterans Interventions Program at PATS, how do you plead?
Guilty, Your Honor.
I ordered you to enroll in Veterans Intervention, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you were ordered to enroll in that back in December 2021, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you enroll?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am, I did not.
Okay. As to the violation that you failed to provide verification of the 12-step meeting attendance, how do you plead?
You're guilty on that as well, ma'am.
Okay, also on December 20th, 2021, I ordered you to participate in the 12-step program, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you been participating in that?
Yes, ma'am, I have. As far as verification, I can't give it to you, but
Why can't you give verification?
Because I left at my old house and somebody, they went in and they kind of gave them my room that I was renting.
And you, and 12-step won't give you another proof that you were there?
I mean, I could get with the guy when I get out, but I'm gonna have to be out. It's by Adams, but I don't wanna make like fun or nothing like.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear what you said. Your voice dropped.
I plead guilty, man. I'm guilty
Okay.
because I won't be able to give you the thing. I'll have to be out there, man. That's just.
Okay, so you did not provide verification as you
I
were
did
ordered
not
to do?
provide.
Okay, any questions from you, Ms. Donnelly?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Okay, the court is satisfied with the factual basis on those three violations. I'll accept your plea if on your plea you made freely, voluntarily, and intelligently. The recommendation is to either continue or terminate.
I think the recommendation is to terminate. Is that right, Mr. Mayor? Okay.
Yeah.
He just checked the box and then certain to.
Okay, so
That's
that,
either DD court or.
okay.
Yeah.
Terminate, and impose jail time. Credit at the time that this was written is for 0 days. Is that still the credit?
Correct.
How long has he been in custody? Since the arraignment?
Raymond, that was September 2nd, so it's been 19 days.
They arraigned him on the 3rd. And you say he's currently got a case pending before Judge Ward.
Yes, you're being held by Judge Ward, correct? Yeah,
Yes.
he had a pretrial conference this morning, and when's the next court date?
It's gonna be October.
Final pretrial October 18th.
It's a DV second?
Yes.
You can address the court.
Thank you, Your Honor. Yeah. Mr. Herrera does not object to the recommendation. As already stated, he is going to be held by Judge Ward at least until his final pretrial on October 18th. And he would just like to do his time on this. Thank you.
Mr. Rivera, did you ever take care of your warrant in Dallas?
No, ma'am, that was 45 years ago,
Oh, this warrant was issued in 2020.
2020. Oh, ma'am. Wasn't aware of that.
Well, we would have mentioned it to you at your sentencing because it was on your pre-sentence report. I'll withdraw or dismiss, I should say, as a violation for failing to adhere to the no contact order. Because you have a case pending on that now. I'm going to sentence you to a term of jail time. Let's see here. Instituted 45 days Ingham County Jail, credit for 18. Do you have any questions, sir?
No, ma'am, I did not know.
Any additional matters for the record?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
You're all set. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Yep.
Violation. Good morning, ma'am. What's your name? Does she have audio? Good morning, ma'am. What's your name? Can you hear me? Maybe she can't hear me. To the person with the glasses and the dreadlocks.
Oh, Sangria Morel.
Thank you.
That's a victim in the Christian Morel case.
Okay, which matter are you calling in on, ma'am?
For the Kristen Morel.
Sounds like it. He's represented by Mihas, not us. Attorney named Mihas.
Good morning, Your Honor. Miss Morel is my client's mother.
Okay, well, the virtual courtroom is only for litigants and not for people to observe. We are live streaming, so she could watch it on YouTube.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Thank you for showing up. We'll talk soon.
Okay.
Okay, did you need this, Mr. Mias, did you need to speak with the prosecutor?
Yeah, just
Excuse me,
quickly, if you don't
prosecutor at
mind.
all?
Yeah,
Okay, and can you start your video, please?
yes, Your Honor.
Okay, look, it sounds like Mr. Martin's gonna call you,
Okay.
okay?
Can I get a good number for
Okay.
you, Mr. Mihas?
734-692-3033.
Afternoon, morning.
Good morning, sir.
I'll step out and call Mr. Mihas.
Thank you.
Shh.
Unless this is him on the Moto G Power. Who's on the Moto G Power? Okay. Guess that's not. Okay, we're on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Christian Morel, file number 22-02108, council appearances.
Chris Martin for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Mehas on behalf of Mr. Morel, P number 66417.
And Tuesday was the date that was scheduled for a pretrial. How are we proceeding on this?
Your Honor, it's my understanding we wish to set this matter for a final pretrial conference and a jury trial. I spoke with Mr. Mehas. It's my understanding that he may have a scheduling conflict on one of the dates that we've been setting things on today. So I would just defer to whatever his schedule looks like.
Yeah, we've set for a couple of days. Which day do you have a conflict on?
I was told the 11th was when you're setting pretrials. I could do the 18th or sometime after that.
Okay, the final pretrial will be October 18th.
Trial October 25th.
Jury trial will be October 25th. Both of those are held in person at the court.
1 second. And you said the 18th for the trial?
Yes, that's correct. I think we would,
Final
the
pretrial.
final pretrial is the October 18th. I think we lost your client though.
Oh,
Oh, is he? I don't see him at least.
I see him up there. Top
Okay.
corner. He's muted
Let me
right now.
fix this view. Got it.
So
Okay.
so it would be at 10:30 again on the 11th?
Oh, here we go.
I'm
There we
sorry.
go.
Would it be at 11?
October
Would it be at,
18th at 8 o'clock, at 8 a.m.
okay,
And then the jury trial, October 25th at 8 a.m.
okay, so final pretrial, 8 a.m., 18th, and 25th trial, 8 a.m. Thank you.
No problem. Do you have any questions today, Mr. Morel?
No, ma'am, no, Your Honor.
Okay, any additional matters for the record, counsel?
No, that, nothing, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll see you on October 18th.
All right, thank you.
No problem.
Didn't I thought I did that to you?
Let me check.
Kristen, give me a call when you get a chance, okay?
I think I got it on.
Okay, yeah.
We're done here. So you can
All right.
log.
Good day, y'all.
Same to you, sir.
right,
Ms.
thank you.
Glasgow,
Yes.
you need to come in and give your fingerprints.
I already did.
What day did you do that?
On the 12th.
They're in there? Okay. Thank you. You still need discovery on this one?
I believe we got the discovery on this.
Yes, it's my understanding that the Ingham County prosecutors had it last week. I just didn't get it yet.
And I'm having an issue with my computer. I would just send it to her, but I can't get on the internet right now.
Okay. We'll let you see how you can work through that. Ms. Ray,
Yes.
that's your client as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you need to speak to her?
No, that one, we would like it set for a final pretrial and jury trial.
Okay, your attorney is stating that they want your matter set for a final pretrial and jury trial, so we'll get you the date now, okay?
Okay.
Final trial October 18th. And then jury trial October 25th.
Final pretrial will be October 18th at 8 o'clock in the morning in person at the court. And the jury trial will be October 24th at 8 o'clock in the morning in person at the court. Do you have any
Okay.
questions today, ma'am?
No, ma'am. I would receive all information through mail, correct?
Yes, you should receive a copy of the notice to appear to the address that we have on file, which is on Pennsylvania.
Okay. Sounds
Okay,
good.
do you have any, is that all, the only question you had, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Just to confirm that trial date, is it the 24th, the 25th?
24.
Okay, so it's the Monday,
It should be the 25th. It should be the 25th.
25th. Okay.
So the
Yeah,
final
Mark 'em up.
pretrial is the 18th and then the 24th.
Nope, it should be October 18th and then it'd be October 25th. So they should both be
The 25th.
Tuesdays.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
No, I'm not able to connect. I'm really upset about this. We did not, I checked on the discovery on Gibbs yesterday. We don't have it.
Okay.
Glasgow, I'm pretty sure we have it.
Yeah, you have it. It hasn't been provided yet.
Do you want to go ahead and, we set it for one more pre-trial just to see if we can get it
Yeah,
resolved?
yeah.
Because it does seem like it's resolved.
Okay. And she had questions about, some of the allegations.
At 10:30.
September 27th at 10:30, Ms. Glasgow, we're gonna reset your matter, okay?
Okay.
And I will call you later, Miss Glasgow.
Okay. What
Okay, do you have
time?
any questions? I'm sorry, Jane, tell her the time. 10:30 in the morning?
Okay.
Do you have any other questions, ma'am?
No,
Okay, you're all set for today.
thank you.
No problem.
Tisha Amos, is that her name?
Letitia, yeah, and Amos, yeah, I don't have a good contact information. She's,
You have the number ending in 4160.
yeah, but that's not her number. So I did leave a voicemail on whatever number that was.
Okay, we should have been trying. And you don't represent Taylor, correct?
I'll call the hall from Mr. Taylor.
Oh, probably send us an email that he's here. Who, Kenneth Taylor. Here.
And I've told Addie, but this afternoon for the arraignment with Devin Lee, I have, I gotta cover mental health court for 30th, so Ms. Erin Robinson will be there for that.
Sounds good. Following the email from Hicks, what do they want me to do? Am I missing something?
Oh, yeah, I don't think I don't know why they send me to, because we don't have nothing. But
Okay, just FYI, that's cool. I like FYIs. I don't know if I didn't know if they wanted me to do something.
oh, I can't.
Whenever the court is ready, we're ready for the Kenneth Taylor case.
Okay, we're on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Kenneth Dwayne Taylor, file number 18-06148. Council appearance.
Chris Martin for the people.
Okay, and Mr. Taylor, you do not have an attorney, correct?
Yes, sir. That's right.
Is there an offer on this?
Yes, Your Honor. It's my understanding, Mr. Taylor will be accepting our offer to accept responsibility for an added civil infraction of impeding traffic in violation of MCL 257.676B. Upon his acceptance of responsibility for the civil infraction, the people agreed to dismiss both misdemeanor counts as charged.
That's correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, your fine is $125. When can you pay it?
Yes, today, John.
Okay, we'll note here that you'll pay today, and then this man will be all set. Do you have any questions?
No, I just have to go home and grab it, or can I pay it online?
You can pay it online.
Or
I
I
think
can come back.
there's a
and-
processing, a small processing fee. If you pay it online, you'll just use this case number if you need to pay it online. Otherwise, you can come back up. Are you sure you're gonna make it back up here today? Because the thing is, if I put that you'll pay it today and then you don't make it back up, they'll ask me to show cause you, which is
Yeah, I
another
can,
court case.
shoot, 30 minutes. I have $84 on it right now.
How about this? I'll put that you'll pay within 7 days. So that means if you don't, for some whatever reason, make it back up here.
I'll be right back. in 30 minutes.
Okay, very good. All right, then you can pay right at the window, okay?
Thank you.
Thank
Good luck
you.
to Mr. Taylor.
Thank you.
Good luck on your license.
Okay, that's all we have for the morning, and then we looks like we have,
Only one thing I see, Kimani Allen,
at 1:30?
yeah.
Yeah, because there's an arraignment and then a review, so that's all we have. Sounds good.
I will probably appear from